Today we're going to do the easiest three-way there is on the market. This is the easiest three-way. We're going to add a three-way over there, a second switch location. We're going to change this switch that does these can lights so when we come in the back door at night, we can easily turn these lights on to see where we're going. This is an electronic three-way setup, 2 wires, no neutral needed. And that's what we're going to do today. There's a little diagram. It's called a Pico switch. And we're going to mount the Pico over there. This switch will work with that switch to turn these lights on. And also will raise and dim the lights. So this is a easy to add switch. And there's all wood in here. So we can just mount this right to here, with no wires needed. And you can do multiple Picos. If I wanted another one somewhere else outside or something, if you had a long hallway or something and you want to add extra switches, this is an easy way to go. As usual, I am not shutting off the power. And if you're a homeowner, you can shut the power off. But I am not shutting the power off. And you can see that this wire here has my little loop in it, and that's the switch leg. That's the non-hot wire. So I'm removing this. Here's my ground wire. And here's the hot wire. It is hot, folks, so I'm just going to put a cap on that. Here's my new switch, but it has the wings on it also, so I have to remove these extra wings. You just take your Lyman's. Everyone should have a Lyman's pliers. This switch is controlling some LEDs, and there's not much power consumption on these LEDs. And I always hook up the switch leg first, then I hook up the hot wire. I'm going to tuck these wires back in, tuck my ground wire in there. This particular switch isn't that big. I'll fit in there nicely. Straighten it out a little bit. And also today we're going to upgrade the plate to a screwless plate. We're going to do a little quickie upgrade while we're here changing this out. So we're going to upgrade the plate to a screwless plate. Here's the screwless plate. Feels good. Then this just clips on, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to pull this off, and to get the height of the new switch, I'm going to set up my laser. I have my laser set up. I'm going to go, I got my laser on. It really doesn't show up on the camera, but what I'm doing is I'm adjusting the laser I'm adjusting the laser. It's right here on this screw so that when I do take the new switch, it's the laser line right there. I can see it. Right there, straight. This is all it takes to mount, wire in another three-way switch. It's a very easy DIY program here to add a three-way switch. This has to be the easiest way to add a three-way switch on the market today. Plate covers on here. That's on. The line was right there from the laser, and the laser shoots around the room. I'm holding the button to program the switch. The lights are blinking. So now I go to the Pico and hold it. Lights are blinking 3 times, so I release. Now it should shut it off. Lights are off. Lights are on. Lights are off. Lights are on. I can dim it. I can dim the lights here. The lights are dimming. Lights are going back up. Lights are off. Lights are on. And I can dim, and I can brighten. And this button in the center, if you want to have this switch like in your baby's room or something and you want it to come on dim, you can program this switch to come on at a dimmer. Every time it comes on, it can come on dim. So there's a lot you can do with these particular switches besides just having a three-way. So this is the easiest three-way on the market today.